Hey everyone, are you all about impressing that special someone but not quite sure where to start? Maybe flirting is just a bit new to you, or you just need some fresh tips on how to catch your crush's eye? Well, buckle up because I have got 6 simple yet killer strategies just for you. First off, tip number 1. Speak their language. Literally, using their words or phrases can create a bond. Science says mirroring someone's vocab can up your chances of them liking you. Drop their unique phrases in your convo and boom, it shows you are not just listening but really paying attention. Next up, tip number 2. Floral fragrances. Yeah, smelling like a bouquet of flowers might just seal the deal. Studies found that floral scents can make social interactions smoother. So, spritz on that floral perfume or cologne for that extra edge. Now, tip number 3 is a gem. Emotional responsiveness. How you handle their emotions, especially during tough times, can be a game changer. Being supportive, giving good advice, and making eye contact. It's all about showing your care. Tip number 4. Visualize them liking you. Flip the script on those nerves and imagine your crush already digs you. It'll boost your confidence and vibe. Trust me. Speaking of confidence, tip number 5 is about owning it. Work on feeling good about yourself, rock that confident posture, and maintain killer eye contact. It's all in that attractive aura you're giving off. And last but not the least, tip number 6. Mystery. Everyone loves a little mystery. Keep things interesting by revealing bits of yourself slowly. Show off your adventurous side or hobbies gradually. It will keep them intrigued and eager for more. So, which tip resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts down below. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and hey, even your crush. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for tuning in.